Hi guys! Marshmallow Caesar po, at your service. Nandito na po tayo para mag-review ng isang wearable gadget at ito ay ang Huawei Watch GT2e. I also have my Huawei Watch GT2 na unang lumabas versus the 2e with slight differences sa features and functions. Okay, before we review and compare the watches, let's check the advertised specifications and features ng Huawei Watch GT2e. And here's the advertised specifications. Now, for the features, isa-isahin natin ang mga ito. 1. Sleek and stylish. The durable stainless steel from Huawei Watch GT2e pairs flawlessly with the colorful fitness straps for a comfortable grip. The 1.39-inch AMOLED HD display and multitude of invigorating watch faces keep you plugged into your world. With fun designs to spare, it never leaves your arm bare. 2. Wear your everyday. Look on the wrist. With various watch face design, Huawei Watch GT2e turns your wrist into a seamless tapestry of light, color, and motion. You can even customize the data and information with heart rate, steps, weather, and others. Only what you care matters. 3. Play for 2 weeks. Kirin A1, Huawei's first self-developed wearable chip, which ensures high operation performance and incredibly low power consumption. Dual chip design and power saving algorithms 2.0 ensure Huawei Watch GT2e consumes less energy to achieve astonishingly power for all day and night support. This smartwatch automatically optimizes the power consumption for a longer lasting battery. 4. 85 custom workout modes. Inspire the senses and indulge your passions. From the familiar to the far-flung, with the newly added 85 custom workout modes, you can explore the new adventure of rock climbing, parkour, street dancing, or skateboard that moves you. It's all on hand. 5. 15 professional workout modes. Utilizing cutting-edge technology, Huawei Watch GT2e provides precise and real-time tracking data for 15 professional sports including climbing, running, swimming, and cycling. It supports both GPS and GLONASS positioning systems for meticulous route tracking during outdoor workouts. 6. What you need to know fitness information features. First, VO2 max refers to the maximum rate of oxygen consumption measured per unit of time over the course of lengthy workout. Higher VO2 max values indicate higher cardiovascular endurance. Next, aerobic and anaerobic workout effect measures the effects of your workout on your health and wellness. Longer aerobic workouts can improve your overall fitness level, while moderate anaerobic exercises can help strengthen your anaerobic fitness capabilities. Next, recovery time refers to the amount for time required to fully recover from a workout, helping you to push your body to the limit without subjecting it to unnecessary strain. Next, training intensity. The watch collects data on your weekly training volume and calculates recommended training loads based on this information. Next, workout status. The watch provides an easy-to-reference overview of your current training regimen, as well as professional-level advice for future workouts. Lastly, personal fitness trainer. The watch comes pre-installed with more than 10 voice-over running courses that are responsive to real-time heart rates, as well as tailored to different levels and fitness goals, including pace setting, weight loss, and endurance. 7. Start as you move. Being attentive and intelligent in a whole new way, just go about your normal workout, and the watch will automatically detect it, then start tracking your activity with one tap. Now, available for 6 common workout modes of indoor-outdoor running, indoor-outdoor walking, elliptical, and rowing. 8. Now under the Play More features. First, SpO2 monitoring, or blood oxygen saturation, is one of the important vital signs that can reflect the oxygen supply of the body. In fact, very low levels of SpO2 can result in serious symptoms like lack of energy, fatigue, and lightheadedness. Huawei Watch GT2e supports single-time SpO2 level measuring. helping us to detect the level of oxygen in the blood whenever and wherever we need. Next, release your stress. All day stress monitoring and all day care for your health by Huawei True Relax. Breathing training releases stress and adjusts state at the right time. Lastly, better sleep monitoring. With Huawei True Sleep 2.0, your Huawei Watch GT2e can scientifically track and diagnose 6 common types of sleep issues while providing suggestions for better rest. And while you sleep, the watch monitors your heart rate, analyzes your breathing, and awards a score on your overall sleep quality. 9. Play music on the go. Play music directly with your Huawei Watch GT2e. After pairing it with Bluetooth earphones up to 500 songs, it can store your favorite music to enrich your workout with no strings attached. 10. Always be ready to help. Your watch receives real-time notifications for incoming calls, SMS messages, emails, calendar events, and more. It also packs a treasure trove of intuitive features that make daily life a breeze, from weather forecast, alarms, timer, and flashlight. You can even use it to find your phone. 11. Raise your hand for a quick shot. Turning into a remote shutter of your phone, Huawei Watch GT2e help you to easily capture memorable moments on the move or from special angles with a preset 5 seconds timer. Now, to summarize all the features I've mentioned here, here's the actual advertisement from Huawei itself. What's inside the box? One Huawei Watch GT2e, one charging cradle, one charging cable, and one set of user guide and safety information or manual and warranty card. And here's the actual unboxing and what's inside the box video nito. Review time! As mentioned, I already have Huawei Watch GT2 but not the Pro version. The reason I bought this one because of having a smartwatch that I can really use for travel na no need to set the time zone. Of course, answer calls and notifications that I enabled for this device and my phone, which I'm also using a Huawei Mate 20, which I use for audio and video recording and also for photography as well. All the features mentioned for Huawei Watch GT2e ay meron din ito with one missing, which is receiving calls. Kasi sa GT2e will only notify you and reject function if you have a call but not like with this GT2 which I can answer my calls using the watch. Which the only feature na sa tingin ko ang pinagkaiba lang talaga na really helpful when driving. Now, the question, why buy the GT2e ay meron na pala lahat sa GT2? The answer is the design of the watch. If you notice the strap, if I'm doing workout or doing cycling, I prefer the grip sa arm ko which was comfortable. It is really designed for sports activities, not like with the GT2 na pwede din naman. Walang difference din sa bigat, dun lang nagkatalo sa design. I noticed something as well regarding the cadence and steps account accuracy. Parang mas accurate ang GT2e. Another reason is hindi talaga para lang sa akin ito, but for my partner din. Kahit ayaw niya ang style. Because of the pandemic, we need to monitor your SpO2 and heart rate, which meron na ako dahil sa GT2, need din niya ito. Now, ito ang ginagamit niya kahit sa pagtulog, ayaw na niya ako pa rin. Meron pala akong concern with both watches naman. Diba I mentioned, I do cycling, also running, and if my time and if safe na, lap swimming sa pool. The watch has its own app which is the Huawei Health na kahit hindi Huawei ang phone nyo, pwede ito, which ang gamit ng partner ko is the Samsung Note 20 Ultra. Dun sa concern ko is connecting it with Strava. Because as we all know, it's an American internet service for tracking human exercises which incorporates social network. It's a Huawei banned sa US, so wala siya sa list of devices. So for my cycling need ko i-connect sa Strava, I need to use my Amazfit Bip na i-need ko connect sa Zepp, then connect to Strava. Yun lang talaga pinaka-issue ko sa dalawang product na ito. For me versus other watches, this is the best for me, especially battery life na aabot ng 2 weeks or more pa. Na hindi tulad ng iba, 2 days lang wala na tapos ang mamahal pa. So would I recommend this one? My answer is yes. By the way, meron ng Huawei Watch GT3 and Huawei Watch 3. So alam nyo na ang next na sabihin ko. The price of these two watches dropped from 50% to 70% depende kung saan nyo ito bibilin. So grab now these quality smartwatches. Either the sports type or the formal one, which you can also replace the straps sa gusto mong design na meron din ako. Price check. We bought the Huawei GT Watch 2E directly from the Huawei online store. The current price now ay 4,499 pesos. Now, if interested kayo sa GT2 naman, the current price now is 5,499 pesos. By the way, both have freebies na ang nakuha ko sa GT2E ay Huawei Bluetooth speaker. Now, for the teaser video, ito ay ang Devant SB50 soundbar. Okay, dyan naman tatapos yung review natin sa Huawei Watch GT2E with the GT2. Sana may natutunan kayo regarding smartwatches na currently on sale now. By the way, the SpO2 and heart rate is not accurate sa mismong device na pang-monitor talaga na ginagamit sa clinic and hospital. The purpose is only to be aware sa current status ng SpO2 and heart rate natin. If we feel or masama nang naramdaman natin, better do a checkup na din sa doctor. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and click the notification or bell button para updated kayo sa next videos namin. Ako po pala ulit si Marshmallow Caesar. Thanks for watching guys, goodbye, and please be safe as always.